Hey, Southwoods Algebra fans, Mrs. Lindsay back again to discuss with you some real-world inequalities. In this problem, we have Guillermo, who is organizing a charity event and needs to raise at least $500 to cover all costs. Well, at least means 500 is the minimum he needs in order to cover all his costs. So he needs to raise greater than or equal to $500. Now, he already has $200 from his donations. So that's money that he already has in the bank. Each ticket sold and we don't know how many tickets he's going to sell yet, costs $15. So since I don't know how many tickets Guillermo needs to sell in order to meet or exceed his fundraising goal, I'll let T equal the number of tickets sold. Now remember, he needs to make $500 or more. He already has his $200, plus each ticket is going to be $15. That's 15 times the number of tickets, T, will be greater than or equal to his $500. We solve by subtracting 200 from both sides. That means 15T is greater than or equal to 300. And when we divide both sides by 15, T is greater than or equal to 20. So if we go back to our let statement, that means Guillermo needs to sell 20 tickets because it's greater than or equal to 20 or more if he wants to exceed his $500. In this problem, Jake is choosing between two phone plans. Plan A charges a monthly fee of $30 plus 10 cents per text message. And I don't yet know how many text messages Jake is going to send. So I'm going to let X equal the number of text messages Jake sends. So number of texts, messages. Now, Plan B charges a flat fee of $50. So, my Plan A costs $30 plus 10 cents for every text message, which is X. Plan B, well, that's just $50. So I need to know what is the maximum number of texts for Jake to send for Plan A to cost less than Plan B. And less looks like this. So my inequality is going to make Plan A, which we said was 30 plus 0.10x, to be less than Plan B, which is 50. So to solve, I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides. I'll get 0.10, x is less than 20, and when I divide both sides by 0.10, that would give me x is less than 200. Now, since this is an exclusive inequality, less than, then Jake can only send a maximum of up to 200 text messages. So his max, since you can't send a fraction of a text message, is going to be 199 text messages. So, this is Mrs. Lindsay signing off. We'll talk more about this tomorrow. Good luck and have a great night.